In this AlignMix video, you will learn how to create new territories in an existing territory file. So here on the screen, you see that we already have 99 sales territories created. That number is shown here in the bottom of the screen. So I'd like to add a few more territories here. So let's zoom into an area. Let's come here to Alabama. And I'd like to add a brand new territory that covers Mobile and some of the Florida Panhandle. To do that, I can use the lasso zip code tool, and I need to make sure that I have zip codes and accounts selected for my alignment scope. That means when I lasso an area, it'll capture zip codes and accounts. So let's click and lasso an area here, and I'll bring it up just below Montgomery. When I let go, you will see a summary appear on the screen. The summary shows everything that I've just lassoed in that lasso. Click here on the Next button, and then click on Create New Territory, and click on Next. And just like that, we've created Territory 1. We can then use the Touch Align tool to touch up any of the areas that we have missed in the lasso. So I'm going to click here and touch up this corner piece like that. You can also create brand new territories using the Touch Align tool. All you have to do is hold A on the keyboard, click with the left button on your mouse where you want to create that territory, and then create the territory. When you let go, that territory has been created, and then you can use the Touch Align tool while holding Control down on your keyboard to touch up the areas and hug those state boundaries, like so. The final way of creating new territories is to use the Circle Zip Code tool, and that's found here in the drop-down menu. Click that, and then you can click and drag out a circle. As you drag that circle tool out, you will see the radius of that circle appear. When you're happy with the shape you've created, you let go, and you'll get the same summary that we just saw using the lasso tool. From here, you would click on Next, and then you would click here to create a new territory, and just like that, we've created a new territory. And there you go. You've just learned how to create brand new territories in an existing territory map.